Hey everybody, welcome to this video. This video deals with Module 2 for Business Math and Calculators, which has to do with rounding, whole numbers, and decimals. So with that, we will jump to the slideshow and I will share my screen and we'll go through a couple example problems. All right, so as we get started here with the slideshow, again, we're talking about rounding whole numbers and decimals. So with that, we'll go ahead and jump into our first problem. And what we'll look at first is rounding when we're talking about a whole number. So we'll take the given number here on the screen, 18,945, and we're going to round it to the nearest thousand. So to do that, let's start by just kind of rewriting our number. And what we need to do is figure out which digit is in the place that we want to round to. So in this case, we're going to round the 8 is what we're looking at because the 8 is in the thousands column. And what we have to decide is whether we are going to leave the 8 as it is or if we're going to round it up to the next number, which would be 9. So to do that, we look to the digit behind it or the number to the right of the 8. And in this case, the digit there is 9, and 9 is greater than 5. So anytime we have something greater than or equal to 5, what that means is we're going to round up. So what happens is the 8 is going to round up and become a 9. All of the digits that are in front of that place are going to remain unchanged. So the 1 that was out in front is still going to stay out in front. The 8 has now become a 9. And then any digits that come after our place are going to be flipped to zeros. So when all is said and done, our final answer is 19,000. 18,945 will round up to 19,000. All right, with that, let's look at another example. This time we'll look at a decimal number. The process works the same way. We're going to take 18 and 945 thousandths, and we're going to round it to the nearest tenth. So again, what we do is we take our number and we figure out which digit is in the column we want to round to. So we want to round to the tenths column. So this time the 9 is the digit that we want to round. Okay. We look to the digit to the right, or the one that comes after it. This time the number is 4. And since 4 is less than 5, we're going to take our 9 and we're just going to leave it where it is. Okay, we're not going to change it at all. So the 9 stays as it is. The digits that come before the 9, including the decimal point, remain unchanged. So we still have the 1 and the 8, and then the decimal point and 9. And then all the digits that come after the 9 are flipped to zeros. Okay. Now, the one thing that's a little bit different with a decimal number is when you have these ending zeros, they don't really change the value of our number at all. So what we do is we just get rid of them. We don't need them anymore. So our final answer in this situation is just going to be 18 and 9/10 or 18.9. And there you go. That's how you round whole numbers and decimal numbers. All right, so this was a pretty quick video. I hope a couple of examples are helpful and refresh your memory when it comes to rounding whole numbers and decimals. If you have any questions, please let me know. Reach out in any way that works best for you via email or text message or in class, whatever works easiest, let me know and we'll be happy to help you out with any questions that you have. Good luck as you work on the problems and get ready for the quizzes, and have a good rest of your day. We'll see you in the next video.